In this video, I'll be explaining step by step on how you can apply to these two public universities in Germany that are tuition free, and there is no application fee as well as no TOEFL or IELTS requirements depending on the university and course you're selecting. So please watch this video till the end to understand the process. I would also be sharing some information regarding how to secure scholarships in these universities. Hi, my name is Sylvia, and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, also like and share this video with your family and friends. The first university is called the LEUPHANA-UNIVERSITY-Lüneburg. So this university is located in Lower Saxony State in Germany. This university is tuition free, but remember you have to pay a semester fee. It says here that there is no tuition fee, but the semester fee, which is paid every 6 months, is currently at around 321 euros. So this is basically going to be your travel ticket. In this university, there are English taught bachelor's as well as master's programs. So I'm going to be clicking on the bachelor's program. Let's have a look at it. So these are the English taught bachelor's program, and when I scroll down, they are basically digital media, economics, global environmental and sustainability studies, international business administration, psychology, and individual studies. So basically these are the taught programs, and these are the minors that you'll be selecting from when you are studying the majors. These are as well the English taught master's program at this university, and when I scroll down you can see international economics law, international law of global security, peace and development, cultural studies, management and data science, management and entrepreneurship, sustainability science, management and sustainable accounting and finance, public economics, law and politics, psychology, work and organizational psychology. So depending on your interest, you can hover your mouse and click on any of them to see more details. For the sake of this video, I'll be clicking on economics so that we can see details. So this is the economics program. It says economics BSc. It says the economics bachelor at LEUPHANA College is internationally oriented and taught in English. And this is the button to apply. We're going to come to that in a bit. Overview at a glance. So it says language of instruction is in English, no German is required. And this is going to be a 3 years program. The degree is going to be Bachelor of Science, 180 ECT. It says no tuition fees. Semester contribution is about 370 euros. Semester abroad is possible. It's going to be starting October 1st in the winter semester. Application period is mid-May until the July 15th. So you have until the 15th of July to send in your application. And the requirement for this program is university entrance qualification and English skills. We're going to come to that in a bit. So these are the procedure for making application to this university as an international applicant. And it says here that applying to LEUPHANA College is in 5 steps, and the first is for you to check your entry requirements. So I'm going to click on this. This is the requirement for international applicants. So here, if you're not from EU, so you cannot apply directly to this university, so you're going to be going through UNIASSIST. But before you do that, you can click here to check your requirements. And checking your requirements here, it says you can find out whether you are qualified to study in this university free of charge without no obligation. And now you can click on find out now if you meet the criteria. So you click on this link. It loads you to the UNIASSIST portal, and here you can do well to enter your country and check the requirements if you're eligible to study in this university. I made a comprehensive video where I talked about everything about UNIASSIST, so please do well to check this video so that you can have an overview. The second step is to understand the admission process. So basically I'm going to click on this link, and once you're on this page, you scroll down, you can see further information on the admission process for non-EU citizens. So when you click on this link, it explains to you how to calculate your grade as an international student. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and share it with your family and friends. Also subscribe to the channel to be part of this community. Third step is proof of English language skills. I'm going to click on this link. For the language proficiency, it says in addition to a valid university entrance qualification, you also need to demonstrate language proficiency. If you will be embarking on any of these English language majors, then you would need a language proficiency. And when I click on economics, for example, language proficiency regarding economics, so you must show any of these following tests: TOEFL, Cambridge, IELTS, Pearson test, depending on what you have. And it also says here you can prove the required knowledge of English English with already completed module of a university course. If you have completed any module that is in English in any university, you can also use this. It says that this module must be at least 30 credit points. According to ECT, it must be taught exclusively in English. It mentions here that the following certificate is accepted for English as a native language. Certificate from an English-speaking school that entitles the holder to study in the respective country. And here it says that your university entrance qualification is what is being considered and not your nationality. Importantly, you have to also be aware that it says if you are unable to provide the proof at the time of application, you will be admitted for a period of time. But if the proof is not submitted before the start of lectures at the latest, then you will be deregistered from the university. And the next step is applying online. So I'm going to click on this. If you're coming from outside the EU, you're going to be applying through the UNIASSIST, but if you are from inside the EU, you're going to be applying on the university's portal. But right now, as an international student, you're going to be going through UNIASSIST. The last step is enrollment, which you would be doing when you get your admission letter. The second university is called the Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt. So this university is a university of applied science, and it is located in the Bavarian states. Now I'm on the tab for international degree seeking students. I would click on study programs that are taught in English. And these are the programs that are taught in English in this university. So you can do well to click on any of these to get more information. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be clicking on Energy System and Renewable Energies. This is the page for the Energy Systems and Renewable Energies. It's a Bachelor of Engineering. It says apply online from May 2nd until the July 15th. This is the overview. It's going to be Bachelor of Engineering. Duration is going to be 7 semesters. It's going to be starting in winter. And the language of instruction is in English. The location is Ingolstadt. You can see the curriculum for this particular program, so you can have a look and see what it entails. And then you can see the quick info and click on any of these arrows to expand this. When I click on admission and application, you can see that it says it's open until the July 15th. And it's an admission limited bachelor's. And here you can see the short information and application process. The first is to go through the UNIASSIST, and the second is to register on the Hochschulstadt, and the third is for you to apply in the Primus portal. And for the language skills, it says you need a sufficient language skill to successfully complete the coursework. Note that we do not require English language proficiency tests such as TOEFL or IELTS. And when I click on financing, it says no general tuition fees. Student union contribution per semester only. So this is going to be around about 350 euros or thereabouts. The next course I would like to explore is autonomous vehicle engineering, just to show us the two differences in application here. For this particular program, autonomous vehicle engineering is also taught in English. Here you can see the overview at a glance. Bachelor of Engineering, 7 semesters, is going to start in winter. And this is the curriculum for this particular course, so you can do well to go through it. And here in the quick info, when I click on the admission and application, so this is what I wanted to really point out regarding this university. There are some courses that require you to apply directly through their application portal, and this is one of them. So here it says applications are submitted exclusively via the Primus application portal. For this particular course, you do not need to apply through the UNIASSIST, and the application here is free of charge. And for the application dates for bachelor studies, you're going to click on this link. It says bachelor application. For the winter term, you have to apply from 2nd of May until the July 15th. In case you need to contact them for application issue, this is the email address you need to write to. You can also go through the frequently asked questions, but importantly, I would like to point out one of them. It says, do I need IELTS for this program, or I can just apply with MOI? Program is entirely taught in English. If your medium of instruction of your secondary school was in English, you do not have to provide additional proof of English language skills. But otherwise, you have to provide IELTS, Cambridge, TOEFL, or similar certificates. Is there an application fee? It says apart from the UNIASSIST fee for those that will be applying via the UNIASSIST, there is no application fee for this university. So you can go through the rest of the questions to understand more. In order to make this application, you have to click on Apply Online. Automatically brings you to the Primus portal, and here you can change it to English. So now I'm going to select the university, which is Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt. and click on select. If you have not registered before on this portal, you have to click on register for new application. Otherwise, you can log in with your email and password. And when you scroll down and see the different courses of study that are available on this particular Primus, and the one we are interested in is Autonomous Vehicle Engineering Bachelors. So right now I'm going to click on register for the online application. Put in your personal details like so, and you click on register for the online application. So now I have to enter my email and the verification code. So this is the email that was sent to me. I'm going to copy the verification code, and here I'm going to be pasting the verification code and click on submit. Registration was successful. Now I should log in, and right now it brings me to this particular page where I have to read this and accept. So I'm going to click on I agree and click on save. Accept the data protection information if you agree, and you click on send data. This is the overview of the online application, and here I'm going to select a course. Right now I'm going to select some bachelor programs that are taught in English, and the admission is from the first semester, and these are the degree of study that are taught in English, and the first one is the one we're interested in, Autonomous Vehicle Engineering Bachelor. I select it, and here you click on save. And see, this is the application for Bachelor Autonomous Vehicle Engineering to winter semester 23-24. It says the course language is in English, and aptitude test procedure is carried out for this course. You need the following documents. So here you're going to click to download the documents that you need, and it says 1, you download it, 2nd, you fill it out, the 3rd one, you upload it again into the upload area. For this course of study, no application via Hochschulstart is necessary. I'm going to click on this document. Let's have a look. This is like a questionnaire for applicants that want to study this autonomous vehicle engineering. You basically fill it out and then you upload it back. Now I'm going to click on continue. So here you're going to select the type of program. It's going to be full-time. You click on save. By my left, you can see the online application course. You can see this is the notes has been done, type of program I have selected, and right now I'm on the tab additional questions. So here you're going to basically answer these questions as honest as possible. Afterwards, you click on save, and then it will bring you to the next one, which is pre-approved admission. This is a very straightforward application portal, so I'm not going to be going through all of this to complete this. You can also log off and log in back if you don't have all the information required at the moment. And once you are done, you send the application, of course. At the beginning of this video, I made mention of scholarship opportunities. There are tons of scholarship available at this university after you might have been enrolled. And these particular scholarships are mostly awarded based on academic performance and social engagement. So I would encourage you, once you get admitted into this university, to try any of these scholarships. Do well to click on any of these links here and go through them and see the one that you qualify for. Most of them are for Germans, but there are still some that are eligible for international students. You can as well send them an email to this email address if you need more information. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.